Hola.
Hi.
Bon voyage.
¿Qué pasa?
Hi,
Je dis say.
Magadi.
Daddy Bless.
Bonjour.
What a Cahtel. My name's Trilly, aka Jaku Jr. My birthday's February 23rd, 1990.
The name is Shona, aka Shona Maja, or Young Mugabe for those who don't like it. I don't care. Birthday is October 3rd, 1989. Born in America. Should have been born in Zimbabwe, but you know. Digital.
Hello. My name is Joy.
You extra loud, dog.
Nah, but really, my name is Joy Mufaro. Don't forget the underscore. I score more than the average. Oh.
You gay. Let's stop that one. Hold on.
How's it going? My name is Joy Mufaro. Don't forget the underscore. I'm the super spiritual one of the group. I love Jesus. I'm the vocalist of the group.
Mango pineapple from McDonald's. Smoothies slaps.
I like cars.
Girls. I think I'm homophobic. Is that really?
I like clothes. I like girls too. I like them all, not just lesbians. I also like these caramel mochas. Nice, better than that.
Oh no.
Okay.
Let me tell you about me. I like to go on long trips. I like long walks on the beach. I like to.
Oh,
It's for girls. You guys say you like girls on my song.